Floor of mouth lesions, differential diagnosis. Beneath the tongue lies a small but fascinating space, the floor of the mouth. It may look simple, but this area can reveal some of the most interesting and sometimes serious oral lesions. One day, a patient walks into the clinic complaining of a lump under the tongue. At first glance, it seems harmless, but as every dentist knows, appearances can be deceiving. Let's begin our journey through the differential diagnosis of floor of mouth lesions. When you find a swelling, several possibilities come to mind. It could be fibrous hyperplasia caused by chronic irritation, or maybe an odontogenic abscess spreading from an infected tooth. Sometimes it could be a tumor, soft tissue, squamous cell carcinoma, or a salivary gland lesion. And don't forget cysts, like mucositis or retention cysts. To remember these causes, think of the mnemonic FOTC, fibrous, odontogenic, tumor, cyst. Now, if instead of swelling, you notice redness, your thoughts should shift. Common causes include Candidosis, a fungal infection often seen in immunocompromised patients, Mucositis, which can result from medications or radiation therapy, and Erythroplakia, a red patch that must always raise suspicion for malignancy. Remember this with CME, Candida, Mucositis, Erythroplakia. But what if you see an ulcer on the floor of the mouth? That's when things get even more interesting. It could be a tumor, such as squamous cell carcinoma or a salivary gland tumor. It might result from chemical burns due to topical substances or self-medication. It could be an aphthous ulcer, painful but benign, or even drug-induced, appearing as a side effect. For ulcers, remember TCAD, tumor, chemical, aphthous, drug. So how do we reach a diagnosis? Start with a detailed medical and dental history. Examine the area carefully, checking for size, texture, tenderness, and discharge. Use imaging when necessary, and never hesitate to perform a biopsy when the cause isn't clear. The mouth tells the story, you just need to listen carefully. Treatment, of course, depends on the cause. Infections and candidosis require antifungal or antibiotic therapy. Abscesses must be drained and their source treated. Cysts and tumors often need surgical removal and histopathological confirmation. And always remember, early detection saves lives. Now, let's bring everything together with one final memory trick. When dealing with lesions on the floor of the mouth, think in 3 simple steps: swelling, FOTC, redness, CME, ulceration, TCAD. Say it again to lock it in your memory. Swelling is FOTC, red is CME, ulcer is TCAD. FOTC for swelling, CME for redness, TCAD for ulcers. The floor of mouth made easy. Be observant, be precise, and be the dentist who spots the signs early, because sometimes the smallest area under the tongue can reveal the biggest secrets.